Vehicle usage is booming. Connect My EV provides a robotic solution to efficiently charge mechanically parked EVs and fleets of autonomous EVs. Complex software, mechanics, high power charging, they all come together in Connect My EV's proprietary charging robot. Welcome, Satyajit.
Thank you, Charu. Thank you for that introduction. Um, Welcome, everybody. Behind me, you can see Connect My EV's lab. This is where we build our charging robots.
Satyajit, present.
Yes. As Charu said, EVs have been gaining popularity in recent years. The Biden government is committed to electrifying the federal fleet. Ford and GM have made multi-billion-dollar investments to go electric. Within the acceleration of EV market, the market for EV chargers is also accelerating. Now imagine several of these EVs in a mechanized parking structure, 9 stories below ground, such as this Seattle Spire building. In these parking structures, no one is allowed to enter. So forget about someone trying to plug the EV in. Also, fleets of EVs, eventually autonomous, will park themselves and expect to be charged in bulk. However, in both of these cases, challenge here is to charge without human intervention. Hi, I'm Satyajit, founder and CEO of Connect My EV. We have developed proprietary robotics to safely and reliably connect the EV to the charging infrastructure. Our robotics has passed the user testing at Ford Greenfield Lab. We are partnering with a mechanized parking company to bring this solution to the market. With signed POs in hand, we have deployments coming up in LA and Seattle. Although the need is clear, this is a tricky problem to address. Several companies have tried to repurpose industrial robots, designed custom contraptions, made robot trolleys, tried wireless charging. Nothing has given results. We have spent years working with customers to meticulously iterate our robotics. Today, we have a mature proprietary solution uniquely crafted to address every detail of charging process. With our solution, we bring the mechanized parking into compliance with the city regulations, which mandate that the mechanized parking structures be EV ready. Of course, in doing so, we are saving a lot of money for the building management. This is a touchless charging, eliminating any sanitary concerns, giving peace of mind to the EV owner. Finally, automation is the only way to simplify and scale the daily operations while guaranteeing that all EVs will be charged. The market is composed of mechanical parking. By the way, these mechanical trolleys are already operating and are part of our LA Seattle project. Despite the fact that most parking is manual today, the mechanized parking is a sizable market with a compelling need for robotics. Finally, the federal and commercial fleets which need bulk charging are a very large market as well, with a total addressable market of $5 billion. The sources of revenue are a mixture of one-time revenue and a subscription, which includes software, maintenance, and energy transaction fees. I'm not even counting the revenue for charging data itself, which will be a significant revenue source in the future. With a moderate number of deployments, we can achieve profitability and growth in a short period of time. Our technical team has over 40 years of experience in designing robots and control systems. We have industry veterans on our board. Going forward, we are looking to strengthen the team with sales and marketing. We are looking to raise $3 million in seed round to unlock $5 billion autonomous EV charging market. To recap, this is really exciting time in EV charging. We have the world's best robotics and robotics team, along with paying customers. Please join us in this exciting journey. I will be available in the breakout room to meet you. Thank you.